Did you know there's a structure called as the Eden Project, inspired by the bees? And today we are going to have a look at some of these structural engineers. These natural engineers impact the world in small and big ways. Let's see 6 of them. First one on this list is beavers. Beavers build dams using sticks and mud. By doing so, they purify the water and stop the flow of water downstream. Apart from that, they provide home to fishes, frogs, and many other birds. Second one on this list, you guessed it right, ants. Ants build complex network of underground tunnels. By doing so, they work together in colony. They help in growth of plants by aerating the soil and making it more fertile. Third one on this list is elephants. Surprisingly, these giant mammals help to shape the environment by cutting down trees through their feet and digging water holes. It does not only make way for other animals but also help in dispersal of seeds, creating more plant life around them. I'm sure you have came across these giant mounds when you travel to any forest. These are termite homes, making it on the fourth. These termite homes are constructed using their saliva and soil. They influence the soil composition and nutrient cycling. In fact, there is a building in Zimbabwe, Africa called as the Eastgate Center, inspired by the ventilation of these termite homes. Fifth one on this list is African weaver bird. These are the true architects of nature. They create their nest using sticks and other materials that are present around them. Their nests have separate chambers and entrances, allowing them to raise their young ones and attractive mates. Last but the most interesting creature on this list is the caddisfly larvae. These aquatic insects build their home using the sands and stones that are laid on the bottom of the ocean. They do so by weaving them together. And let's say their home can be literally anything that is available around them. Isn't it interesting? It's literally like carrying your home anytime, anywhere. If you like this video, hit the like, share and subscribe button and follow for more.